everyone and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. So there are times when you just want to make a meal in a real hurry, or you're not in the mood of really cooking and making anything really elaborate. You just want to make it really quickly. So today I'm going to share with you exactly that recipe. It's a tikka masala recipe. Now I'm using paneer for this recipe because I had paneer at home. You can also make this with chicken, and I had chicken tikka masala, the Suhana brand. It's pure veg, don't worry. So I'm using that in this recipe, but you can also use the paneer tikka masala recipe, Suhana masala. It's the same thing, it has the same ingredients. It has the chicken tikka masala powder, doesn't have anything non-veg in it, so you can use it. And I happen to have it in my pantry, and I just wanted to make something really quick because I had some other work and I didn't have the time to really cook a big meal. So I made this, and it's really very good. You can make this for tiffins for your kids. Kids love paneer anyway, my kids do. Or you can substitute it with the chicken. And I've added my own twist to the recipe, which the Suhana packet doesn't say, but I added a little bit of a twist which you'll see in the recipe. So do try out this recipe, guys, and let me know how you like it. I'll see you at the end of the video. So friends, let's see today's instant tikka masala. So here I've taken 200 grams of paneer, cut them into cubes, and I'm just going to fry them for about 2 minutes in ghee, and I'm transferring it to a bowl. Now I've made a paste of this tikka masala with 500 ml of water. Once the paneer is done, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl, and I'm going to fry this paste in the same ghee that we added. Fry it for about 5 to 10 minutes, continuously stirring in between. I'm going to add the fried paneer, and I'm going to cook it, cover and cook it. And of course you've seen that the coal has been heating up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll put it into a vati, add some ghee to it, and then I'm going to add that to this pan, and I'm going to cover and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I'm going to turn the flame off and then add some coriander. So try out this dish. It's super delicious, and it has this lovely smoky flavor. So wasn't that really a great recipe? You are going to try it, right? So a few tips over here. Your paneer should be really fresh. Now I generally make paneer at home. I leave a recipe of how you can make it at home, but I happen to buy paneer just in the morning from my dairy. I have a dairy shop over here where they sell fresh milk and paneer and etc., and they have really amazing paneer. So I'm using really soft, amazing paneer. And the twist you've seen I've added is the coal. So you just have to heat the coal up on a flame for about 3 or 4 minutes, and once it's really nice and red hot, put it into a vati and just put a little bit of drop of either ghee, or you can put oil, or you can put butter, just something to get it smoking. And then you put it inside the pot, cover it with a lid and cook it. Just keep it inside for about 2 to 3 minutes is max, or even 5 minutes, and when you take it out you have this lovely smoky flavor to the tikka masala. So all the instructions are given on the back of the packet. This is not a sponsored video for Suhana, but I really like their masalas, and sometimes when I really want to cook something in a jiffy, and this is the easiest way. So if you liked today's video, then don't forget to give it a big like, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.